Busy ka. Uwans. Hatid na doon.
Pinuto ko na yan. Kaya yung simula na yan. Kaya ulit.
Sarap yung pulutan. Patay tayo sa uric tsaka sa ano, no? Arthritis, no?
Lakas yan.
No.
Ice. Dalaga na siya. Yan, meron kami. Mga cute pa sila. Happy? Smile ka? Nice! Picture, baby! Sab-sab! Janos! Yan. Is sabi nila kasi smile. Hindi sinabing bagyo na one. Sino ba ito nakatalikod? Okay, one. Eyes here. One. Isabel Harwin. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Sean, your eyes here. Okay. Ang naman. Nandito ka.
Oh, see? You ask Jikay. Jikay has 2 cakes. Sige na. Sean. Okay, let's stand up na lang and close our eyes and let's pray. Come on. Come on. Okay, one by one. Okay, Nanay, wag ka na ano ni Daniel.
I am the boss!
Hello, Janos! Hello, kids!
I am the boss!
Hello, Ate Macy! Okay. Maano pa siya eh.
It's time to eat na to. Okay, nag-eat na to.
Okay, everybody!
Ice, you want to eat na? Bastard, Ice! Ice, you go to Ate! Ice, go to Ate! Go there! Pinati!
Hirap naman, Mars.
Kuyong.
Wow! Ay, akala ko meron na naman.
Where's Ice? You find for... Okay, you find more. Oh, you hold it.
Where is it? Where is it?
Dahil may money. Anak, huwag ka dyan.
Doon ka, doon ka. Ice, you go to Ate faster. Jana! Find more, find more. You find more, baby. Oh, give me your egg. I will put in my pocket. You find more. Faster. Janos! Find more. Macy here. Dito. Ice. Ayun na. Wow, si Janos. Oh, Janos have more. Oh. Wow, Janos have more. Find more. Janos, give me. I put in my pocket and find more. Faster. Wow, look.
Mars!
Sabas naman niya.
Where's dapat may nag-ano sa atin? Nabibidyo.
I'm videoing. Oh, I'm videoing. Ate Chika, meron ka na? Pastor, please, hanap ka, Pastor. Uy, Bito, maghanap ka. Tapos si Bito out of this world lagi. Find more in the plant, in the... Parang hindi naman mabahanap eh, no? Oh, wow. Parang mga nanay naghahanap, hindi yung anak. Parang mas marami yung nanay. In the hanging plant, baby. Find more.
Ang sayang naman ng ano mo, Mars.
Marami ba?
Meron sa bahay pa.
Ay! Wow! Ang galing naman ni Kuya Sean!
Come here. Nakalimutan na yan ni Tita Lizelle kung saan niya nilagay.
Kaya nga, tingnan mo sa mga ano.
Ay, lumampas ba? Sabi, lumampas ba? Lumampas daw, Kuya Arnie. Mga nilulungan ka sa mga dahon pa. Ang sabadong pa. Ay, nakira ko naman mag-ano mo. Parang ano.
Ikhang ka, diba? Hindi pag nakita agad, hindi wala nang ihahan.
Dinagdagan mo ba? 100 daw yung itlog na yan eh. 29 lang. Kinain kasi yung isa. Artist! Oh, wow! Ang dami na nating ulam mamayang gabi, gosh.
Kailangan makain.
Oo. Naka-plastic naman, Mars, kaya makakain talaga. Ano, Ice, what have you found? Sige na. Bilis! Tumilis eh! Wow, naka-violet pala kayo tumitili.
Wala na.
Wala na. Ilan na ba kaya na? 29, di ba? Will paint, Janos. You paint? Ice, where's your paint?
Can I just put it here? I will just add it
Wow! OJ, kaya mag-paint ka na. Wala kang brush?
Ate, pahingi nga din ako, ate.
Paint yours, baby. Where's your egg? Oh, wow, may egg, see? Wow, it's so nice.
Do not touch me.
Ay, sorry.
Walang... Second base. Nanay na yun, na nambubuli. Sanay na. Ayun na, baby. Oh, lot of ego. Sige na. Don't cry.
Mama, Sean, I can show you. Ay, mo na, Macy. Basa kasi. Okay na. Enough to say.
You go to ate. Ate, oh, you have Janus to paint. Go to ate, Pastor. Turuan mo lang siya. Ayun, no.
Washable yan.
Here, there, oh, eyes up. You want more egg, oh. You paint there. Oh. Oh, here, oh. Baby, get the color here. Oh. Sorry, baby, oh.
Oh, yellow.
Wow, so nice naman natin, Macy. Oh, you color your egg. Pastor, color. Okay, you get, oh. Oh, the blue one. Wow! Wow! So nice! Galing mo ng Jonas ko.
Mamaya pang-painting. Samsam.
Yeah. Sport huggy-wuggy. Wow. Huggy-wuggy again.
Ano gagawin mo?
Wow. Kaya mo siya ganun din yan. Hindi mo rin maano yan.
Sabi ko parang may ibang bata.
Kaya nga, bagong dating. May
Janos. Say hi.
Mama.
Say hi.
Mama.
I said say hi.
Ayaw.
Hi.
Ayaw.